Hey, Ian back, Lakeside Marina Motorsports. We're going to finish tearing down this Bravo 3 that's got a shifting issue. Okay, you guys, the problem I'm seeing right now is we found that the bolt is broken out of the shifting actuator. It's got a good burr on it there. Now my problem is this whole thing should be a lot tighter than this. So we're going to get that disassembled. And that's it. Unscrew it. It's fine thread, so just unscrew it and it should pop right on out. Sometimes you might have to tap it a little bit. One thing I am noticing is we got some glazed metals inside of here on the unit. The gears look a little worn. You will have to pull this drain screw in order to get it all the way up and out because it will get in the way.